An application of the law of cosines. A ship leaves port at 1 p.m. traveling north at the speed of 30 miles per hour. At 3 p.m., the ship adjusts its course on a bearing of north 20 degrees east. How far is the ship from the port at 4 p.m.? All right, so let me help you visualize what's happening at 1 p.m. The ship travels north, and it was moving north at 30 miles per hour. Now, 2 hours later at 3 p.m., the ship adjusts its course on a bearing of north 20 degrees east. So there was a change in direction, and then it went for another hour in that direction. Which brings us back to the question, how far was the ship from the port at 4 p.m.? All right, so pay attention to the diagram as I explain some of the small details that were described in the situation. The first detail will be the 20 degrees. That 20 degrees happened when it bared in the eastern direction while moving north. So pay attention to where that 20 degrees happens. It happens outside of our main triangle. Which brings us to 160 degrees for our linear pair, and that's how the 160 degrees ends up inside of the triangle. So this is how we apply our law of cosines. New diagram has all the variables written and its values. I use color coding so that you can see the placement of every value inside of the law of cosines. At this point, it would be quicker to use your graphing calculator to plug in your values. If not, you will have to show these steps, but you will still need a calculator before the end of the problem. By taking the square root, we will find that the ship is approximately 89 miles from the port at 4 p.m. For more videos, search me out on YouTube, BJ Jeffries.